We're back with another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Now, we had discussed layers previously, and now we're going to go about how to be combining those shapes on the layers. And there are multiple ways to do that, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways and one of the most beginner-friendly ways, and that is this shape builder tool. The keybind is Shift M. So if you look over here, the ellipse and the rectangle are in their own layer and the ellipse is on top. So that means when I drag this circle over the square, it's going to cover that square because it's on the top layer. But say I want this shape to be one consecutive shape. What you can do is you can drag and highlight both, and then you can click that shape builder tool. And now when you go over it, you're going to see a plus sign. So whichever side you want to be that front, like say I want the blue color, I'm just going to drag from the blue to the gray and make sure that it all got highlighted. When I let go, it has now combined both of those shapes and made it a single outline. So it essentially just took both the overlapping, combined them. Now let me show you a little bit different. If I highlight both and use the shape builder tool again and go over here and hold Alt, you will see a minus. What that means is you can cut out that overlapping shape. So now if I click here, it has cut out the shape that was there. There is nothing here now to select. It is just these two shapes that have been cut. Very easy. Shape builder tool works wonders. You can start creating some beautiful things just by cutting shapes.